I get asked all the time, how do you stay motivated?
Yes, I know I've been dragging this out.
The truth, I
Today-
don't. Last week, I pushed through 15 days of rejection, and it taught me this. You have to force yourself to take action. Today, I'm not that motivated, but I have a massive batch of mama hats to finish, some tote bags, and a mountain of admin work. So let's go. Hi guys, I feel like it has been a while. I've been kind of busy around here with my 15 days of rejection challenge. It is a lot to keep up on social media. So going out there to the different businesses and then coming back home and trying to post about it and talk about it has been a lot. But today is just kind of like a show and tell vlog. I have a lot going on as far as embroidery, so I'll show you what is on the machine right now. If you follow me on Instagram at simplydelilah1, you will see that I have these leopard print crew necks in. The blanks are kind of expensive, so I sell the crew necks in my Etsy shop. They're $59. I'm excited that they are selling for kind of a lot, although, you know, you look at Nordstrom's and the department stores, they're selling their crew necks for about $60 to $70. So why can't I? These are custom. They're even better. This is the mama cursive, and the mom can put their established date of when they had their first baby. There's some more right there. I've been doing them for salons. The mama sweatshirt's just custom, also embroidering on the sleeves. Here is another one that I have. This is just a custom order. This is the back of a hoodie. So I think that turned out really pretty with the purple. It's written in Spanish, so I need to look up what that actually means. But that one I need to get ready for the customer to pick up. And then look at how cute these hats are. This one is for, I believe she runs a childcare, and it's called Cloudy Kids. And she wanted something really fun for Valentine's Day. They all say mama, and I think these are really cute. So I need to get the stabilizer torn out of these, and then these will be ready to go for her. Oh, and then did you see my bad hair day hats? Those ones are really cute as well. I love what I do, but even in the middle of a fun order, the discipline has to be there. I'm focusing on my focus. Who here has a hard time focusing? It is a challenge for me, but I have to make sure every single hat is perfect. Every week I try to meet with my other small business friends, and we set weekly small goals to hold each other accountable. So if you want, comment on a goal that you can get done in a week. That way I can make you accountable. Oh my gosh, I am dying over how beautiful these hats turned out. And can you believe I used my sleeve hoop? Okay, now I am working on another. Oh my gosh, this is just eye candy. I love these mama hats, and they are perfect for Valentine's Day. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. Moving on to the next project, I just have to clean real quick. I have an order to make some hats for the wrestling coaches at a local high school, and they want the Richardson 112s. So while those are stitching out, I'm going to work on this order of bags that I have. It's for a local salon. I'm just measuring them down 2.75 inches from the top. That's not what I always do. I just thought that was a good placement for now. And then I use my cutting mat to measure and make sure that it is straight. And just equally place it in between the black straps. And I don't have any extra bags, so I have to make sure that it's
equally on both sides because the design itself barely fits into this hoop. I know she's going to love how classy and professional they look. It's giving off a high-end salon vibe. I also want to share a few comments from last week's video. Motivation comes from action. You truly motivated me.
And Debbie writes, the only way forward is to move. Successful people never quit. Go for it. I love that. And Veronica confirms that she actually does this. She reaches out to 2 businesses or people a day and gets more work from this. It becomes easier as you do it. So stop waiting for the vibe to be right. Just stop waiting for the fear to go away. It never goes away. Just get out there, take one action today, and earn your confidence.
What is one thing that you have been putting off because you are scared? Leave it in the comments so that we can all motivate you and encourage you to take steps forward. I decided I'm going to stitch the wrestling hats on my brother embroidery machine because the 112s are kind of tricky. So I've loaded that up, and let me show you what I'm talking about. This is off the Happy Machine, but it just doesn't look good. But my Happy Machine does really well on hats other than the Richardsons. So right now I'm doing one of the auto hats, and this is a hat that I just got an Etsy order for. I do all the pretty girl tattoos. I'll show you at the end. Like, look at how beautiful these stitches are. The thread is just so smooth. I love it. The bags are done stitching out, and now I'm just working on the loose threads. I use these Kai scissors. They are simply the best. They're tiny, so they get under the threads, and they're lightweight, and they're super sharp. And the magnifying light is something that I found on Amazon a few years back. I'll put a link to it right here. It's convenient, and I use it to examine all of my embroidery projects just to make sure everything is crisp and there's no loose threads.
Okay, I'm actually really tired. I think this is an end for the day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my other sewing and machine embroidery videos as well. And so I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.